tutorial I'm going to show you how to diamond lace your high top Converse. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is tape the lace across the two holes at the front. So threading it through from the outside hole and across to the inside hole. And then we're going to make sure that our laces are the same length on both sides. So we're going to bring the ends of the laces together. And we're going to pull up through the shoe. And then you'll find that your laces are even on both sides. So the first thing we're going to do is take the outside lace across the shoe and bring it down through the inside third hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace and bring that across and down through the outside third hole. And then we're going to take that lace, still keeping it in our hands, and bring it up through the inside second hole. Just making sure that as the lace comes out through the hole it's not twisted, and then you get that nice flat look as it comes across the shoe. Then we're going to take the inside lace and bring that up through the inside second hole. And then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. So I'm going to catch it on my fingers as I work my way up the shoe, and it'll help to make sure that the laces don't get twisted. And then the inside comes across to the fourth hole. And then we keep that lace in our hand and we bring it up through the third hole on the outside of the shoe. And then we take the inside lace and we bring that up through the inside third hole. And then we take the outside lace across the shoe and bring it down through the inside fifth hole. And then the outside, so the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. And then we take that lace back on itself and bring it up through the outside fourth hole. And then the inside lace comes up through the inside fourth hole. And then the outside lace comes across the shoe to the next hole on the inside of the shoe. And the inside comes across to the next hole on the outside of the shoe. Just making sure it's not getting too tight as it goes up through the shoe. And then we take that lace and we bring it up through the previous hole on the outside of the shoe, so you bring it up through your fifth hole, and the inside lace goes back on itself, bring that up through the inside fifth hole, and then the outside lace comes across the shoe to the inside seventh hole, and the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside seventh hole. And again, I'm just going to stop there for a minute, just pull the shoe open a little bit before it gets too tight as we make our way up to the top. And then we're going to take the outside lace back on itself and bring it up through the hole before, so to bring it up through the sixth hole. And the inside lace goes back on itself to bring that up through the inside sixth hole. And then the outside lace comes across the shoe to the last hole on the inside. And the inside lace comes across the shoe to the last hole on the outside. I'm just going to pull that open just slightly. Now you can finish these off in 2 ways I'm going to show you. So just make sure that's not twisted. So the one way would be to finish it off with a factory knot. So bring your 2 laces together, take it around your finger, and then bring it up through here to make another loop. So you just need to pull on that and pull the loop through a little bit. So you end up with a factory knot, which would go behind the tongue. And by securing your lace like that, it means that your laces won't slide back through, making the style all loose. So you could finish it off in that way, or another way you could finish it off, which will secure it, is to just undo that lace. And I'll also leave those where they are. And what you can do is you take your outside lace and you bring it out through the inside hole, last hole. So bring it out a little bit, then take your inside lace, do that the same on the other side, bring it out enough to match on both sides, and then those 2 loops can go behind your tongue, and your foot will keep those in place when you wear this style. So I'll just slide that behind there so you can see what that would look like. So there's 2 different ways there that you can finish off the style. I hope that was helpful. See you in the next video.